students. Today we are going to discuss the multi-purpose choice question answer of Standard 8 SS Chapter 1. Standard 8 SS Chapter 1, and today it is the sixth lecture, and we are going to discuss MCQ, multi-purpose choice question. 4 options will be given. Out of 4 you have to choose only one. Okay, when you write this thing in notebook, write the sentence, and after that you write the answer. Okay, first one. When did Raja Ram Mohan Roy? When did Raja Ram Mohan Roy establish the Brahmo Samaj? When did Raja Ram Mohan Roy establish Brahmo Samaj? Options are given: 1821, 1830, 1833. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is in the year 1828. Okay, in the year 1828 CE, he established Brahmo Samaj. In 1830, he was sent to England. In 1833, he died in Bristol. Okay, here he started the magazine. Okay, so my dear students, sometimes we make this kind of confusion. So remember, okay, what is the correct answer? In the year 1828 CE, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established. In the year 1828 CE, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established Brahmo Samaj. Okay. Second, who was the priest at Kali Temple, Dakshineshwar in Kolkata? Who was the priest at the Kali Temple, Dakshineshwar in Kolkata? Who was that? Options are given here: Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Ramakrishna Paramhans, and none of them. Okay, once again I repeat: Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, and fourth option is none of them. What is the correct answer? Who was the priest at Kali Temple? Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans. Okay, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, that is the correct answer. Next one, Swami Vivekanand represented India at the Parliament of Religious organized in blank city. Once again I repeat: Swami Vivekanand. Here I have made one mistake in spelling writing. Don't worry. Swami Vivekanand represented India at the Parliament of Religious organized in blank city. What is the correct answer? Washington, Los Angeles, New York, or Chicago? The correct answer is Chicago. Okay. Next one, where was the Khalsa College set up? Where was the Khalsa College set up to impart English education to Sikhs? Okay, where was the Khalsa College set up? Okay, when we read the word Khalsa, automatically the Sikh religion comes in mind, and when we think about Sikh religion, automatically we think about Amritsar Golden Temple, na? So where was the Khalsa College set up to impart English education to Sikhs? Here options are in Ludhiana, in Chandigarh, in Patiala, or in Amritsar? What is the correct answer? In Amritsar. Next, the new awakening began. Awakening means renaissance. Awakening means renaissance. Okay, the new renaissance means awakening began in the blank century. Very first line of the chapter. Very first line of the chapter says this answer. Okay, what is the correct answer? 20, 17, 21st or 19? Which is the correct answer? 19. Okay, in 19th century. Okay, the new awakening began in the 19th century. Next one, Blaine was the first. Blaine was the first reformer of India. Blaine was the first reformer. Reform is social reformer. Blaine was the first reformer of India. Options are given: Swami Dayanand, Jyotiba Phule, Rajaram Mohan Roy, or none of these. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Rajaram Mohan Roy. Okay. Once again, I repeat all six. Number one, when did Rajaram Mohan Roy establish Brahmo Samaj? So in the year 1828 CE. Second one, who was the priest at the Kali temple, Dakshineshwar, Kolkata? The correct answer is Swami Ram Krishna Paramhans. Third one, Swami Vivekananda represented India. Swami Vivekananda represented India at the Parliament of Religious organized in Chicago City. Next one, where was the Khalsa College set up to impart English education to Sikhs? That is in Amritsar. Next one, the new awakening began in the 19th century. And next one, Rajaram Mohan Roy was the first social reformer of India. My next question is, dear student, my next question is, Raja Ram Mohan Roy died. Raja Ram Mohan Roy died in blank in the year blank. Where he died and in which year? Raja Ram Mohan Roy, where he died and in which year? Rajaram Mohan Roy died in blank in the year blank. Options are given. Perth in the year 1832, Wallace in the year 1830, Bristol in the year 1833, and last option is none of these. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Rajaram Mohan Roy died in Bristol in the year 1833. Got it? Rajaram Mohan Roy died in Bristol in the year 1833 CE. Got it? Next one. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was blank by caste. Okay, by caste he was belong to which caste? Okay, options are Vaishnav, Bhil, Jain or Brahmin. By caste, who was? What was? Okay, Swami Dayanand Saraswati was from Brahmin caste. He was from Brahmin caste. He was a Brahmin. Okay, my dear student, it is there. Very soon I am going to send one video about that Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Okay, one video I have that very soon I am going to send you. Okay, in that you will learn everything about Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was blank by caste, so he was Brahmin. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was a Brahmin. Next one, Thakkar Bapa had acquired the degree of blank. Okay, Thakkar Bapa, he worked for the bills. Okay, the people who are belong to backward class, he worked. But my dear student, he was well educated. Okay, we can say still he worked for the people who are belong to backward class. Okay, Thakkar Bapa had acquired the degree of blank. Options: professor, MBBS, engineering, all of this. So correct answer is engineering. He was an engineer. He was an engineer. Next, who was the mentor? Mentor means guru. Who was the mentor? Mentor means guru. Who was the mentor of Shariatullah and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Okay, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and Shariatullah, they were belong to Wahhabi movement, Muslim community. Okay, and who was their mentor, guru? So answer is Shah Waliullah. Okay, Shah Waliullah. Okay, here Mahatma Gandhi are written, Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa is written, and none of them. But correct answer is Shah Waliullah. Okay, what is? Who was the mentor of? Who was next one? Who was the mentor of Kesav Chandra Sen? Who was the guru? Guru means mentor. Who was the guru of Kesav Chandra Sen? Options are Thakkar Bapa, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi Ji, and Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans. Who was the guru of Kesav Chandra Sen? Thakkar Bapa, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi Ji, or Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans. The correct answer is Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans. Okay. Next one. Who preached? Who preached the fact? Who preached the fact that there is only one God? Okay. Who preached the fact that there is only one God? Options: Swami Vivekananda, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, and none of this. The correct answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Monotheism. Okay, there is only one God. Okay. Next one. Thakkar Bapa reformed. Thakkar Bapa reformed the lives of blank. Thakkar Bapa reformed the lives of blank. Options: Naikadas, Vagesh, Bills, all of this. And the correct answer is Bills. Okay, the correct answer is Bills. Okay, that's a Panchmahal Bill Seva Mandal. Okay, what it? Once again I repeat, Raja Ram Mohan Roy died in Bristol in the year 1833. Second, Swami Dayanand Saraswati was Brahmin by caste. Thakkar Bapa had acquired the degree of engineering. Next, Shah Waliullah was the mentor of Shariatullah and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans was the guru of Kesav Chandra Sen. Next, Swami Dayanand Saraswati preached the fact that there is only one God. And last one, Thakkar Bapa reformed the lives of bills. You have to write down this thing in your notebook. Thank you.